Hello students, this is Sangeeta. Welcome to e-learning section, and today in this section we learn about nitrogen fixing microorganism. In this section we learn about the two types, what is nitrogen fixing microorganisms and the types of nitrogen fixing microorganisms and their favorable features and the examples of the organisms. So nitrogen fixing microorganism. Some soil bacteria and blue-green algae are capable of reducing atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia in their cells. The microbes which reduces nitrogen are called nitrogen fixers or diazotropes. The process of nitrogen reduction is called diazotropy. The diazotropes are divided into two groups. The non-symbiotic nitrogen fixers, for example, Azotobacter, Clostridium, Azotococcus, Cylindrospermum, etc. And symbiotic nitrogen fixers, example, Anabina, Nostoc, Rhizobium, Azospirillum, etc. So, what is non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation? Some microorganisms live independently in the soil and fix the nitrogen. They are called non-symbiotic nitrogen fixers or non-symbiotic diazotropes. Nitrogen fixation by these microbes is known as non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation, and non-symbiotic nitrogen fixers are divided into two groups, that is free living autotrophic diazotropes. They synthesize their own food by photosynthesis or by living sunlight or by chemicals. The two types are free living autotrophic diazotropes and free living heterotrophic diazotropes. Free living autotrophic diazotropes synthesize their own food by photosynthesis or by using sunlight or by chemicals, and some are aerobes. In free living autotroph diazotropes, some are aerobes and some are anaerobes. For example for aerobes are Oscillatoria, Cylindrospermum, Plectonema, etc. and example for anaerobes are Chlorobium vibriform, Chlorobium limicola, etc. And free living heterotrophic diazotropes uses dead organic matter as food and fix the nitrogen. Example Azotobacter, Clostridium, etc. So next, what are the features favorable for non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation? All diazotropes contain nitrogenase, an enzyme which catalyzes the reduction of nitrogen into ammonia. Nitrogenase is sensitive to oxygen, so anaerobic conditions are preferred for nitrogen fixation, but the oxygen level is usually high in microbes. The high oxygen level leads to oxidation of nitrogenase and hence the enzyme becomes inactive. Non-symbiotic nitrogen fixers have the following special features for nitrogen fixation. There are 7 different special features for nitrogen fixation, that is spatial separation of nitrogen fixing cells, protein nitrogenase association, high rate of respiration, time specific nitrogenase activity, association with rapid oxygen consumers, presence of hydrogenase and colonization. So let us study in detail one by one. So what is spatial separation of nitrogen fixing cells? Here blue-green algae are photoautotrophic diazotrope living on moist soils. They have photosystem 1 and 2. so that oxygen is evolved during the light reaction of photosynthesis. This oxygen may inhibit the nitrogenase activity. In these algae, photosynthesis is restricted to vegetative cells and nitrogen fixation is restricted to heterocysts. For example, Anabaena, nostoc, Cylindrospermum, Alocera, etc. So what is heterocyst? Heterocysts are thick-walled cells that lack photosystem II. The thick wall of heterocyst prevent the entry of oxygen into the heterocyst. Since photosystem II is absent, oxygen is not evolved during photosynthesis, but respiration occurs continuously. Because of this reason, partial anaerobic conditions develop in the heterocyst for nitrogen fixation. So next special features for nitrogen fixation is protein nitrogen association. Azotobacter derixa and Mycobacterium are aerobic heterotrophic nitrogen fixing bacteria. In these bacteria, when oxygen level is high in the cell, some of the intracellular proteins are found to be associated with nitrogenase. When the oxygen level comes down, the proteins release the nitrogenase free. The free nitrogenase fixes nitrogen as usual. The next one is high rate of respiration. Some aerobic heterotrophic diazotrophs show high rate of respiration. So the cellular oxygen level is reduced to certain extent. At the reduced oxygen level, nitrogenase reduces nitrogen into ammonium, for example, Azotobacter. Next feature is time-specific nitrogenase activity. Rhodopseudomonas capsulata is an aerobic photoautotropic diazotroph. It does photosynthesis in the daytime and does nitrogen fixation in the night. In the night, oxygen level comes down in the cells due to continuous respiration. The next special feature is association with rapid oxygen consumers. Some microbes cannot fix nitrogen when they are living far away from rhizosphere zone of some higher plants, for example, Klebsiella, Rhodopseudomonas, etc. When they are living in the rhizosphere of high oxygen consuming plants, they fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Here, plant roots create a partial anaerobic condition that favors for nitrogen fixation. The next, presence of hydrogenase. When nitrogen not happens to be around, nitrogenase reduces hydrogen ions into hydrogen. Azotobacter crocum and Anabaena cylindrica contain the enzyme hydrogenase. Hydrogenase transfers electrons to high energy potential electron acceptors and combines oxygen and hydrogen into water molecules. This process is often called as hydrogen uptake. Hydrogen uptake reduces the hydrogen and oxygen levels in the nitrogen fixing cells. Therefore, nitrogenase is safe in the nitrogen fixing cells and does nitrogen reduction. And the next is colonization. The unicellular blue-green alga Cleocapsa forms a globular colony by aggregation of many cells. Outer cells of the colony prevents the entry of oxygen into the inner cells. Hence, the inner cells are slightly anaerobic to do nitrogen fixation. The next is symbiotic nitrogen fixation or symbiotic nitrogen fixers. Some microorganisms establish symbiotic association with plant roots and do nitrogen fixation. Such microbes are called symbiotic nitrogen fixers or symbiotic diazotropes. The diazotropes derive nourishments from the plant roots and provide nitrogen to it. Nitrogen reduction by symbiotic microbes is called as symbiotic nitrogen fixation. During symbiotic association, some diazotropes induce nodule development on the plant roots. This type of symbiosis is called rhizocenosis. Example, Rhizobium, Frankiae, etc. Here, nitrogen fixation takes place in the root nodules. Rhizobia establish symbiotic association with roots of legumes and form root nodules. Rarely they induce nodulation in the roots of non-legumes such as Trema cannabina. Next, Frankiae induces root nodulation in Alnus casuarina, Myrica discaria, etc. Some symbiotic diazotropes do not form root nodules in host plants. Example, Azospirillum, Azotobacter, Paspili, etc. Azospirillum species are found associated with roots of many monocot and dicot plants. Azotobacter paspali is seen on the roots of wheat, corn, sorghum, etc. Symbiotic diazotropes cannot fix the atmospheric nitrogen when they are living alone in the soil, but certain cyanobacteria fix nitrogen both when they are residing in the host and when they live free in the soil. Example, Nostoc, Anabina, etc. And the question can be expected from this section is, what are the nitrogen fixing microorganisms and the types, features favorable for non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation, give example for symbiotic and non-symbiotic nitrogen fixers, and what is heterocyst, etc. And these are the some of the few questions expected from this section. Thank you.